Hey guys, it's MOA Sure Shot. I made a ghetto ghetto tactical bolt knob for my 1022. Works pretty good. It's made out of okay, I had the regular bolt. I took it out. Not the bolt, the charging handle. I took that out. Clamped it in my vise, and I got a hacksaw and I started chopping. And I sawed it in half, or not in half, but I took I don't know, about a 1/4 inch off the original bolt. Not a bolt, it's a charging handle. Okay, well, I took a little bit off there, and I got that big knob, whatever the hell you want to call it. I got that off of my drill press. It has I'll just show you. See, it's got 3 of them. One right here. That's the one I took, and then the other one right there. But it works out pretty good. Instead of spending $45, $55 to buy a tactical one, I made one. I think it looks pretty cool. It's big. So, tell me what you think. If you like it, thumbs up, rate, subscribe, all that stuff if you wanna. And hopefully I'll have more of these ghetto 1022 upgrades to come. Oh, I also did a set screw for my over travel. And now there's no over travel. And thanks for watching.